whether there's something that we can bring together that is mutual, for a mutual gain. You know, I suppose it's the key to sales, isn't it? And successful sales, making sure that you're bringing together things. And you know, sales happens in every aspect of life. It's not just us selling to you. It's if I'm looking at communicating what I want to a tradesperson, then it's sales. If I'm looking at, because I'm actually selling my idea to them, I'm communicating that through to them. So it's always this give and take, the ebb and flow, and that's what's sort of natural in life, I think, isn't it?
You'd like to think so, but some people do I've got to take what I can out of this whole thing, which gives the impression that they feel that there's not enough to go around. Whereas you seem to have this, we're all blessed. There's an abundance out there. It's just for us to put our hand out and grab it. Is that the way you see it?
Absolutely.
Oh, great.
Yeah. And that goes for money too. Just the energy's there. You just reach out and take it. Everything. I mean, like, money is really not even, money is not real.
Yeah, go on.
Money is just the exchange, this bit of paper that we have, the energy, so that it's either an exchange for time or a token of goods.
Yeah.
But in reality, it's not what makes the world go round. It became very apparent to me quite a number of years ago that if you make it about the money, then you're missing a whole chunk of reality. You need to make it about whatever's work for you. So, like, people say, but how do you separate the money from whatever's going on? It's just, okay, if I'm thinking about, it's the thrill of the chase for me. It's the hunt that gets my blood boiling right now. And the net result of that is money, and that's all good because then it allows me to take my wonderful trips all over Australia and even overseas. I'm heading to America in a month's time. But I mean, like, the net result is the money, but the whole thrill of the chase is I get so much more pleasure from getting a good result at council than I do when I see the cheque come in from a property renovation deal that I've done or a development deal that I've done. It's just a completely different way of thinking of things. I've got somebody that I'm interviewing later today for a position, and for them it's all about money. Now, the opportunity that I'm offering this person is not so much about the money, although the money's just standard anyway. I mean, it's what you would get as a real estate agent anyway. But the opportunity that I actually have here is that we're not a regular real estate agency, and we're education based. Much like you are, you're wanting to let people know about what's out there. We want to let people know, how to sell their own property, how to save thousands in agents' fees, and then how to take back a bit of control, because there's so many times that people deal with real estate agents and they're not happy with the net result. The best person to sell a property is often the owner, because they are the most passionate about the property. So that's only using property sales as that medium, but you can apply that to anything that you want in life.
Wow, you hit the nail on the head. You said it's not about the money, and I applaud that, even though probably a percentage of people out there are going, what do you mean it's not about the money? I'm here because I want to make a better life for myself, or get ahead, want to get that new job and so forth. But you're doing a completely turning on this head and saying it's not about the money. So you're saying for you it's more like the thrill of the chase, the creating of the deal, and the people you meet. Is that fundamentally what you're saying?
That's 100%. The money comes with all of that.
It's a bonus.
It is a bonus. It is absolutely a bonus.